And if I have to kill you, I'll kill you.
The moment he steps out of the plane, he will die.
Ang kinaklarify ko po ay kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban.
Yes.
Para mapatay, para
Yes.
masabing nanlaban.
Correct. You have to go to court because I will make the admission there again. Ang kasalanan ko lang, yung mga extrajudicial killing. Totoo yan naman, I order the campaign against drugs. Hindi ako maghugas ng kamay. Pagka lumaban, patayin ninyo para matapos na ang problema ko sa syudad ko.
If one of these days the ICC will come, will you voluntarily submit yourself?
Sipain ko po sila, ma'am.
But you said a while ago that if somebody will sponsor your fare to the ICC, you will voluntarily submit yourself to their investigation and jurisdiction.
Yes.
You are willing to submit
Oh.
voluntarily yourself to ICC.
Punta ko doon, sipain ko rin sila.